Hello, and welcome to a new episode of this JPAD Modeller tutorial series dedicated to the CAD Manager features. In this video, we are going to see how to manage your JPAD Modeller aircraft CAD using our dedicated CAD Manager menu. The CAD parametric model is automatically generated on top of the related aircraft parametric model, described in the Input Manager playlist of JPAD Modeller. Instead of focusing on the shape of each component, this additional parametric model implements additional parameters needed to add and customize all CAD-based features. In this tutorial series, we will have a look at all those features with a special focus on the advanced CAD features represented by lifting surface movables, nacelles, and pylons. The first step needed to manage the CAD model is to open the CAD Manager menu using the button at the top right corner of the 3D view window. Once clicked, a sliding menu will appear on the right of the 3D view window. This contains several sections, each of which is related to one of the aircraft CAD components. For each section, you will find a dedicated video inside this playlist. Since you could be interested in working only with some CAD components, each section of the CAD Manager menu has been provided with a checkbox, placed next to the name of the related CAD component. Those are used to exclude or include a generic component from the 3D view. It must be noted that the visualized CAD model is the one that will be also exported in case you want to generate the aircraft solids from JPAD Modeller. However, even if not shown, the unchecked components are still present inside the aircraft parametric model. If you want to manage those components, you must use the Manage Components button in the main dashboard, already described in the Input Manager playlist. Once you are happy with your CAD Manager modifications, you can apply them to the aircraft CAD model by using the Update button. If you have modified only CAD-related parameters, you can use the Only CAD button to update only the 3D model, saving time in the update process. As you can see, the fuselage has been correctly hidden from the 3D model. In the next video, we will explore the content of the fuselage CAD component section. See you there.